Alright, data item description form approved office management budget number 07040188. Alright, title Depot Maintenance Production Report, identification number DIALSS 80728A. Description purpose of the Depot Maintenance Production Report is a two-part report that is provided for the government with the monthly maintenance production figure status of the assets of the contractor facility, anticipated production for the next month, and a summary of the unresolved problems at the end of the report period. Approval date, year 1979, January 24th. Official primary responsibility, the FM, AF, Army Force Material Command, FM, DTIC applicability, applicable. Alright, 7. Application and internal relationship of the data item description contains the format, content, and preparation instructions for the data product generated with the specific discrete task requirements as delineated in the contract. Data item description may be used with any of the depot level maintenance contract. The data item did supersede the data item did ILSS 80728. Approve unit limitation of applicable form AFMC form 413 or ASMC number 57 F7225. Alright, preparation instructions. 10.1, content and format. The report shall be on an Air Force Material Command Form 413, the Depot Maintenance Production Report. The report shall also consist of two parts containing the data as follows. Part 1, as the day of the year and the month and the day applicable to the report, data must be through the end of the month. Block 1, Air Force Management Code, the Federal Supply Class, and the Material Management Code, MMC, with appropriate, when appropriate. Block 2, contractor activity address or code, or the name of the business, Department of Defense activity address code assigned to you and your shipment of the material. Block 3, contractor number. Block 4, the item manager, Air Logistics Center. Applicable, the account code of the primary Air Logistics Center. Block 5, contracting Air Logistics Center, Air Force Management Command. Procuring agency, the designation of the agency awarded by the contractor. Block 6, the contractor administration office. The office is designated as the contracting administration office. In the contract, column A, identifying the item identification, the national stock number of the item being reported. Column B, the call number when they are awarded the contractor's call order of the type. Alright, distribution statement. Distribution statement is approved for public use. Distribution is unlimited. Block 10, preparation instruction continued, but the applicable call number of the items awarded on more than one call is repeated to each for the call until the completed. If the current report was completed with the call with the award completed and with the blank bomb, the column C and the CLENE contract exhibit line item number assigned to the national stock number in the contract. Column D, the quantity for the contractor for the call. The D1 is the quantity to the end of the items prepared on each for the call. The contractor quantity for the list of the calls do not apply. DE is the quality schedule for preparing during the quarter including the report month. D3 is the quantity scheduled for the repair cumulative to the date. 12, the column E, repairable received, the number of the repairable items received for the repair. E1, the quantity of the repairables received during the report month. E2, for the quantity of the repairables received cumulatively from the start of the contract through the repair part month. Column F, the quantity being introduced to the work, the quantity induced deducted for the work during the report program month. Alright, column G, quantity produced, the quantity produced during the month. Column H, the serviceable ship the serviceable ship for the repair facility. H1 serviceable ship through the report month. The H2 serviceable ship cumulative to the start of the contractor. Column 1 is serviceable on hand, with the quantity of the repairable on hand awaiting the input of the condemning. Column J, with the repairables on hand, numerable repairs on the hand awaiting the input accommodations. Column K, repairable ship, the repairable ship during the report of the month. Column L, the quantity condemned, the quality condemned. L1 is the start quantity condemned during the report month. L2 is the quantity condemned cumulatively from the start of the contract. 20, column M, forecast into work, the number of items scheduled to be input the work during the next month. Column N, forecast to be complete, the quality of the items scheduled to be complete with the next month. Part 2, the production problem of the report shall contain the second part and the narrative from which it shall be attached to the Air Force Material Command Form 413. This part is required. For 1, the previous report's production forecast, which has not been shipped. 2, the current forecast does not equal the contract scheduled quantity. Contract anticipated problem is near the future. And that is, once again, it is your data item control of the depot maintenance production report.